In this video, we're going to look at how to find the area of irregular figures. Irregular figures are also known as composite figures. So you're going to hear both of those terminologies. So I'm just going to pick one of the problems from your 9.6 Practice B worksheet and work it out with you. Number 8 looks like a good choice. I see some circle, triangle, and rectangle shapes. So when you're looking into solving the area of a composite figure, you want to break it down to shapes that you know. So when I look at this, I know how to find the area of a rectangle. So that's going to be one of my shapes that I'm going to try to find the area of. I also know how to find the area of a triangle. So I'm going to be finding the area of that. And I also see this semicircle up here on top, half of a circle. So I should be able to do that as well. So I've broken it up into 3 different shapes. Let's start with the rectangle. I think that'll be the easiest one. So the rectangle, to find the area of that, we take the base times the height. Or you could be thinking length times width. So looking at the red rectangle, I notice that it is 4 by 6. Be careful not to use the 7, because the 7 is going from side all the way to the other side. So it is not 7, it is a 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is 24. So we know that the big rectangular part is 24 meters squared. Sorry about the baby noises. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over to my triangle. For my triangle, my area formula is 1/2 base times height. Or some of you like to write base times height divided by 2. Either way is fine with me. With the triangle, we have a little bit of a challenge here because we know the height of the triangle is 2 meters, but we do not know the base. So we know that the whole distance is 7 meters, and since this red part is 4, we take 7 minus 4 and we get 3. So the base of our triangle is 3, the height of our triangle is 2, and we need to take half of that. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, so half of 6 would be 3. So the area of our triangle is 3 meters squared. Now I'm ready to start working on our semicircle. So the area of a circle is found by taking area equals pi r squared, because I remember cherry pie delicious and apple pies are too. So that's how I remember that. We're going to go ahead and use 3.14 for pi. And now I need to know my radius. So, looking at my shape, I see the diameter is 4. That means that the radius is going to be 2. So I'm going to go back to my equation, 2 squared. I'm going to need to do my squaring first because of PEMDAS, and 2 squared is 4. And now I'm going to take that times 3.14. I found the area, or the 3.14 times 4 to be 12.56. So the area of the entire circle would be 12.56, 12 and 5600ths. But since it's just a semicircle, I'm going to take half of that. So I'm going to take my 12.56, 5600ths divided by 2. And that gives us 6.28. So 6 and 28 hundredths meters squared. So I have my semicircle, I have my triangle, and I also have my rectangle. So I'm looking for the area of the entire composite figure. So on this line here, I'd like you to write down the area of all the shapes that you used. So we did the rectangle, plus the triangle, plus the semicircle. All of those added together are going to be the area of the entire composite figure. 33 and 28 hundredths meters squared. And you have found the area of one composite figure. Good luck!